Trying to convince someone that a 3D printer is something that belongs in your home? I've got several scenarios that just might convince them to green light your purchase, or even better, fund it. So stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rick and this is Directed Tech. Now, I know a good number of you probably already have a 3D printer, but if you're new to the channel, or maybe you're one of my subscribers that is more on the laser or CNC side of things, then this video might just help convince a loved one in your life to see the value in 3D printing. 3D prints can be fun, practical, or solve unique problems around the house. Now, I wish I had the budget to hire actors, or heck, even had a few YouTube friends to play the parts in these vignettes, but unfortunately, I'm pretty much a one-man show around here. So, sorry. You'll understand soon enough. Have you ever come across a problem in the kitchen that needed a unique solution? Let's see how this plays out.
Hi, Dad. What you doing?
Oh, hey, buddy. You know, these kitchen drawers, they drive me just absolutely crazy. I can never find the right organizer when I'm at the store. It's just, I don't know what to do.
Oh, Dad, no problem. I got you. Be right back. Here, Dad.
Wow, you made this?
Yep, there's all kinds of models online available for free.
This is incredible. Thanks, buddy.
Kids, you gotta love them. Always coming to the rescue. Nothing quite like opening up a well-organized drawer to put a smile on your face. I have 3 more fun situations that we're going to take a look at right after we hear from today's sponsor, Magtame. If you've been around for a while here on the channel, you might remember the first time I got to try out some of Magtame's magnetic cables. In fact, several years later, these are still my go-to travel cables. Today, I'm going to show you something new. Do you have USB cables that you use for charging or data? I've been using this cable here next to my nightstand for several years, and every morning I tuck it under the pillow to keep it from falling behind the headboard. It's not the greatest solution, but Magtame has a solution for situations just like this. Place the included metal plate where you'd like to secure the end of your cable, and boom! You now have a magnetic home for your charging cable. No more crawling around on the floor, under the bed, or behind your furniture hunting down a fallen cord. Brilliant! The magnetic stay cable is available in black or white, 1 or 1.5 meters. If you'd like to get some of these cables for yourself, please check the link in the video description. All right, now back to the fun. Wouldn't it be great if you had the ability to create fun, useful items that people you care about are having a hard time finding? Let's see how the 3D printing community and a 3D printer can solve another problem.
Hey, babe, how's your plant doing?
It's okay, but I really want a cool black pot that would match my decor. They're so hard to find.
Oh, I have the perfect solution. Wait right there. Here you go.
Oh my goodness, this is perfect! Thank you! What a perfect, pretty plant pot.
What a great boyfriend. She'll cherish that self-watering plant pot for years to come. One of the greatest things about having a 3D printer is when you can solve a problem around the house that can't be otherwise solved. Some problems just need a truly custom solution. Let's check back in with our little family.
Hi, Mom. What you doing? I'm trying to finish this movie room, but it's really hard to find a projector mount for something this small. It's impossible. Oh, I got you, Mom. Be right back. Here, Mom. Here you go. Wait, there's no way that this model was available on the internet. Nope. I taught myself how to use a CAD program that was free online. Wow, this is amazing, Squirt. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Squirt, You and your 3D printer have saved the day.
Whoa! YouTube, Fusion 360 plus 3D printer equals success. They really are going to enjoy that movie room now that the projector is mounted after all of these years. Bravo, Squirt! We've got one more situation to take a look at. Sometimes you might not have the skills to 3D model and create a unique solution, but there is no shortage of creative people out there offering some really great prints. Let's take a look.
Hey babe, you ready for the movie?
Hold on, let me get my snacks. Okay, I'm ready.
A few moments later.
Babe, what's wrong? I love this ice cream, but my hand is totally frozen from holding this container.
Oh, I totally get it. Hold on, I have something for you.
OMG! I love him! This is perfect! Babe, have I told you recently how much I love your 3D printer?
Well, if the planter didn't solidify Boyfriend of the Year, Pebbles the Penguin Ice Pint Holder certainly will. Items like this can be licensed, printed, and sold online, so not only can you make a loved one smile and keep their hands from icing over, but you can start a 3D printing business. If these videos haven't convinced your mom, dad, girlfriend, or boyfriend to buy or let you buy a 3D printer yet, you can always head over to my Etsy store and buy them a Penguin Ice Pint Holder of their own, and that might just seal the deal. Hopefully, this fun little adventure in 3D printed solutions has put a smile on your face. If you found the content fun and useful, please drop a comment below. Or if you prefer that I never don a wig again in one of my videos, go ahead and comment that instead. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, you know that I would be honored if you'd hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I drop new videos. As always, I've enjoyed the time that we get to spend together here on the channel. Until next time, let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and growing together. Take care, everyone.